Hi, smart friends. I am so excited to teach you how to play a really cool game using tens frames. We are going to use tens frames not only to play a game, but it's going to help with our addition facts to make sure that we're becoming fluent with ways to make number combinations.
The first thing each player needs is a tens frame. I drew my tens frame. It's a rectangle with a line drawn horizontally down the middle and 4 vertical lines. That makes our rectangle into 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 separate spaces. Then you need some manipulatives to share. I have little dog and cat erasers. I'm going to put them down below my tens frame and I'm going to use them as little trackers and markers later. The next thing you would need is maybe you have dice at home. I have one that has dots. I have another one that has numbers. If you don't have that, maybe you have playing cards with numbers on them. My playing cards are cute little penguins. If you don't have that, you could write numbers on cards and cut them up. Or you could also draw dots like you would find on dice. Today, I am going to use my penguin playing cards. I have the number 4, the number 5. This is an ace. It's going to represent the number 1, the number 2, and the number 3. So just 1 through 5, I mix up my cards, and whoever's turn it is gets to pick a card. So I'm going to pick this card. Whoa, I picked the number 5. Here's the number 5, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 clovers. Since that's the number I picked, I need to put 5 manipulatives on the tens frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My job then would be to tell how many manipulatives I put on the tens frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I put 5 manipulatives on my tens frame. I would also need to say how many more manipulatives I need to make 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I need 5 more manipulatives to make 10. Now it would be the other person's turn that I'm playing with, or if I'm playing by myself, I would just take the number 5, mix my cards up again, and I have to pick another card. This time I pick this card. Oh, I picked the number 3. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 spades. So now I get to add 3 more manipulatives. I already have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I'm going to add 3 more. I need to add 1 dog, 2 dogs, 3 dogs. Okay, I had 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I added 3 more. 1, 2, 3. Now let me see how many I have all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wow, I had 5. I added 3 more, and now I have 8. I need 2 more manipulatives to get to 10. So it would now be someone else's turn, or just like me, I'm playing by myself. I need to get the number 2. So I need to mix up my cards, mix them up, and let's see what number I get this time. This time I pick the number. Wow, I'm so lucky. I got the number 2, and there are 1, 2. There are 2 hearts. So I already have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8. I'm going to add 2 more. 1, 2. So now I have to see how many I have all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I had 8 manipulatives and I added 2 more, and I now have 10 manipulatives all together. Wow, this was such a fun game. If we're all done and my partners have made 10 and I've made 10 and anyone I'm playing with has made 10, I can then take all of my manipulatives off of my board and I can play again. I can maybe have different manipulatives. Maybe I don't want to use the penguin cards. Maybe this time I'd like to use the dice. I could gently roll it and I have the number 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I would need to add 4 manipulatives. 1, 2, 3, 4. My friends, I hope you really have fun playing this game, and I hope you keep working on learning all of your math partners and ways that you can do different addition. You are so smart and so hardworking. Bye, smart friends.